Any voluntary? Yeah, it's an extra dry. It's an extra dry. So, you know, it's less dry than the brute before. It's more smoothie and much more delicate. Cheers. So, now, yes?
Briefly explain what the difference between extra dry and brut is?
Yes, there are different levels of the dryness. So with an extra dry, we have more sugar residual in the wine, and with the brut, less. So basically with the brut, we have much more dryness in the wine because the less sugar, residual sugar in the wine. Then I would like to, you know, now that we warm up with the Prosecco a little bit, and we are kind of, you know, no, because if you eat, no, not too much, you know, years ago I was on that side, so now I'm so old. So I would like to, you know, see with you, you know, just have a little test with you. So if there is any voluntaries, I would like that you try to explain the wine. As you know, the wine is really, really personal thing. Somebody, you know, you can feel a lot of different things at the nose, in the color not really, but more, you know, at the nose and the taste. Because it's personal, somebody can feel much more some kind of fruit, somebody can feel a little different taste. So I would like, you know, to experience with you also in this way. So you have just to remember there is three meaning steps: color, nose, and taste. So this one is called Sergio Rosé. So we have the same style of the Sergio, but it's a blend of two Italian grapes, one from Veneto and the other from Friuli. It's called Raboso, 70%, and Lagrange, 30%. Does anybody want to try to explain this rosé? Can I pick somebody? I'll try first. I mean, just, you know, it's just what you feel. It's nothing.
I guess I walked into it. Yeah, it's a great color, actually. It's a very nice pink. I feel it would make a nice dress.
When you look at the color, if you can, put a white sheet on the back, so you can really, you know, see all. But as you see, it's a great color in the way that, you know, it's really defined. And the most important thing when you're looking at the color is the clearness. So if you see that the wine is clear and is totally clear, there is no impurity, that means that the wine is okay. Because sometimes, you know, the wine is such a natural thing that can become, you know, as something wrong. And by the color, by the clearness of the color, you can understand it. What about the nose?
Well, possibly it's the name that's biasing me, but I actually smell flowers, oddly enough.
That's right.
And I want to say strawberry, some sort of sweet fruit.
That's good. Actually, strawberry is one of, you know, with the raspberry, is the fruit that you can feel the most in this wine. That's correct.
I have no idea what it is. It's really good stuff. I can't describe it.
But that's enough. Yeah, it's not so easy. Also here, as a fruit, of course, you can have a lot of red fruit in the taste, and strawberry and cherry is the kind of fruit that you can feel in this wine, taste in this wine. Now, as I said, everybody of us has a different taste, so somebody can feel some kind of fruit more, everybody can feel less. But, of course, when you're tasting a red wine or a rosé wine, most of the time you feel a kind of red fruit.